So I got a few things because it's almost Halloween and I thought I would go to the store and buy unnecessary things. So this is the first thing that I got. It's a mug, as you can see. There's nothing in it. It's super cute. And from the same store I got these earrings. I'll insert a close-up right now. And actually the earrings I'm wearing right now are from the same store, and they're also from like Halloween stuff. And last year I regretted not buying more earrings because they were all so cute, so this year I thought, let's buy them all. They have more than just this pack, but I do still have some responsibilities, so I didn't buy every single thing. Also, I got these socks. Can you see them? Oh, my leg. They're very cute. They're skeleton feet socks. Perfect for Halloween. That's all I got for Halloween, basically. So then I went to the thrift store and I was actually looking for like a black robe or a big piece of black fabric, because I wanted to make like fake, obviously they're fake, but like I wanted to make bat wings. I wanted to make them myself. I didn't find any black fabric, like nothing at all. I did find a few other things that I didn't need but bought anyway. Actually, I kind of needed them. So first of all, I got some blades. They're made in Italy. Ooh, fancy. I also got a lamp. I'll show you in a bit. What I like about this lamp is that it's not made of plastic. It's like a ceramic kind of material. And then what else? Oh, I'm wearing it right now. This cute cardigan. Wait, let me just zoom out a little bit for you. It's super cute and very comfy. Very grandma. And then also these pants. They're corduroy, dark blue. It's almost black. Corduroy pants. They fit me like a glove. It's fantastic. And then, ladies and gentlemen, the coolest coat you will ever see. I need to move this further back because it's so big. Still can't see me. This coat is so long. Oh, kids. Don't do this at home. But look. It's perfect. Okay, hold on. Oh no. It's, I don't know what material this is. I think it's some sort of velvet kind of material. It's very soft. The coat is just amazing. It makes me feel like some evil villain that entered the Matrix and is gonna steal all of your Dalmatians at the same time. Look at it! It's so cool. And what I really like is I can just throw up the thing. I don't know what it's called. It's very cozy. I feel like an evil grandmother. It's so cool. I love it so much. And the best thing was, it was $7.50. $7.50. That's basically for free. The only thing that's not great about it, oh, not great, is that one button is missing. Like there's one button on the sleeve but not on the other. And I actually don't think this is even the original button because it's fastened with a safety pin. So maybe I can just take it off because it looks rather stupid right now. But yeah, what do you think? It's pretty cool if you ask me. Thanks for watching, bye.